I'd like to welcome all of you to Zia, which is a restaurant at Diobora, Mumbai, and we're going to do some pre-plated fine dining Indian food today. What we're going to do now is going to make a coconut khichdi. Khichdi has been a part of our integral diet from our childhood. Every time on a good rainy day, we only want a small bowl of achar, a little bit of khichdi, papad, and a little bit of ghee, and that's heaven. So I'm going to teach you to make some khichdi today, but that's going to be with a twist. It's going to have the flavor of coconut and cashew nut. So this is value addition to your regular khichdi to be able to serve with any kind of non-vegetarian dish that you might make at home. So you can make a nice chicken curry, you can make a nice fish curry, and you can serve it with this coconut and cashew nut khichdi. So to make this khichdi, what we need to do is you need to make a small tempering, for which we're going to take a little bit of oil. If you like coconut oil, that is the best, but I have used refined oil here. To this, there's not going to be a very different recipe. We're just going to use a little bit of ginger. Ginger is the main flavor in this. Ginger and coconut with cashew nut is a very good combination. A little bit of excess of ginger adds a little spice to this dish. I'm going to add a little bit of green chili. I like this recipe a little spicy. It's very important that we cook these chilies in oil. Once the ginger has been fried and the chilies are cooked, we're going to, just like we make a fried rice, we're going to add rice. I've soaked this rice in water for about 10 minutes. I'm going to add this rice. And I'm going to gently cook this rice. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to add this rice into the pan, and then I'm going to add a little bit of coconut milk instead of water. And we're going to get a good khichdi out of coconut milk, rice and cashew nut. A little bit of salt. Now it's time for the coconut milk. You can either buy this coconut milk off the shelf, or what you can alternatively do is squeeze coconut milk from a fresh coconut. If you freshly squeeze coconut, then you need to first add the second extract, cook the rice, and once the rice is more than 3/4 cooked, then you can add the first extract of the milk. So now I'm adding the extra coconut milk, and now we're going to let the rice cook on a very gentle flame. We're going to let the starch from the rice leach out into the liquid and slowly form a khichdi on its own. As you can see, the rice is almost cooked. The coconut milk has been completely absorbed by the rice. The flavor of ginger and a hint of green chili is all in the air around me. This is a very interesting combination with any seafood. If you have guests at home, very easy to make. You don't have to get worried about making. Now to add a little bit of bite into the khichdi, what we're going to do is we're going to add coconut shaving. I like to bite into coconut. Alternatively, you could fry this in a little bit of ghee and add, but I like it raw. To finish this khichdi, you could add a little bit of butter, but I try and refrain from that too. A little bit of fried cashew nut, and your khichdi is ready to be served.